Hi guys, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to set up a raised bed. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the things you're going to need is wood, potting soil, compost, cardboard, and the things you are going to plant into it. Okay guys, so first up I'm gonna add the planks and the wood. Sorry if you can't hear my voice so right because the wind is blowing as well, yeah. So next up is a cardboard. So next up I'm gonna add now is the potting soil and then the compost. So I'm making a few holes in the plastic so that the water can run out, else it will get waterlogged. Okay guys, so I'm going to plant it rather in the small one because the bigger one I'm going to use for vegetables, and then because in here I'm just going to plant the flowers. As you guys can see that this plant has been too long into the trays, because can you see how the roots look? So I'm just going to make it a bit loose. So guys, this is the first time I'm actually planting flowers. It's not really my thing. I tried my best and it kinda look good to me. So yeah, let me get some more of the flowers. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Considering subscribing. And if you have any questions, you can comment it down below. Thank you guys. Backyard out.